Hello and welcome back to Lee's Tech Room. Today's little video is just a short update video, just so you know what I've been doing. So I'm still here. I'm still working on my videos. I just haven't done anything for a while. I do apologise if you're missing me. Probably not. But I've actually been saving up my boxes from this month. So I'm going to do, yes, another big tech unboxing video. This is going to be number 3, I think. Yep. Let me just show you what I've got. All right, so far I've got just these 8 packages so far, but trust me, there's some good stuff in here. One of these boxes, yeah. Anyway, there's some good stuff in this one, much better than the previous ones, I think. I'm going to get Sam to do the recordings for me, so we're going to get some motion pictures on there as well. Yeah, so good stuff in this one, and do come along and join me and check out my new big tech unboxing video. It's going to be done in the next week or so, so stay tuned and I'll see you in a bit. Bye now. It's my channel, just a quick video, just an update video. I just wanted to let you know what... I haven't ran away, I haven't done anything different. I'm going to do another big tech unboxing, so this is going to be number 3 in the series of big tech unboxing videos. I've only got 8 items. Hello and welcome back to a new video from Lee's Tech Room. I'm Lee. This is just a little update. But what I've been doing is I've been saving up boxes over the next